Alright, so I've already technically done a video like this prior to this, when I started doing all this guitar stuff, and it started to wane a bit, like most people, you find excuses. But I just am accepting it's a blip, and then I'm going to keep going regardless. So I've been practicing for about 2 months now, where in the morning I will do my finger exercise after writing my gratitude diary, then I do spider exercise, I do 2 other exercises. It used to be 3, but 1 I thought was a bit impractical. But ideally I wanted to do 2 or 3 exercises of 10 minutes a piece. Then I do my tack lesson, then I do like a song practice, and then like a particular song I'm working on. So at the moment it's still Jimi Hendrix's Little Wing, or the intro. I'm not interested in playing the whole song. And then practice my band songs, Ian or Express songs. I'm a bit lazy today. Well, not lazy, it's more the fact that I've been a bit tired. Last week I was ill. I think there was some sort of flu going around that I got. Only a little bit though, because thankfully I look after myself. But I think I needed it because I felt like I needed it, so I just needed my walk. Now I'm just going to get out my guitar. I've got a Fender Esquire, the 70th anniversary, which I'm extremely lucky to have. I'm most certainly not a good enough guitarist to warrant such a good guitar, but I had the opportunity to buy it, so I'm very happy that I did. But I'm going to go and do the spider exercise. I'm going to do another 1 or 2 exercises in my tack lesson. I'm going to go for a shower, shave, put the cream in my skin because I've got psoriasis, then go into work on my writing stuff. So today is, again, it's a delayed day, but still going there. It doesn't matter whether you do it a little bit. It doesn't matter whether you do a lot. The most important thing is that you do it. It's a bit like this YouTube channel. What am I going to do? I don't know. But I'm just going to keep doing it. Well, how often? I don't know. Am I going to do a Mr. Beast? No, because that guy is awesome. And yes, I can do that, but I don't want to. I'm just going to keep doing it and see where it goes. Because I might end up doing this. I might end up doing this full time. I'm trying to make every video better. For example, before I started filming this particular video now, I was going to speak clearer, and I've already failed at doing that. So I'll start doing it now. Because I am an English teacher here at the moment. So when I do that for my students. So I'll start now. So yeah, I'm going to do my guitar practice. Then I will go for a shower, go into school, continue working on a writing project I have. I'm going to go for a small walk, come back. I have a Spanish book, so I'm learning Spanish. It's called The First Spanish Reader by Angel Flores. It's really fun reading that. I don't really understand. I only probably understand anywhere. I understand anywhere between 30 to 50% of the stories, but it's a start, and I'm learning as I'm going along. But what I realised this morning is I have an English version of Nat Geo, the National Geographic magazine, because I like the idea of reading magazines rather than necessarily fiction books, although I like some fiction books. And I thought if I can get it in Spanish, that will be a wonderful thing to learn. So there we go. But this is the next video of the channel, and yeah, I mean, if you have actually, I don't think anyone's watched the first video, but if someone has actually watched this all the way through, thank you so much. That's awesome. I really appreciate that. Thank you for your time. I should look at you saying that. Sorry. Thank you for your time. And yeah, I'm just going to do my guitar practice and then carry on. I hope you're having an awesome day, and take care of yourselves. We look after each other, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time.